Hello and welcome back to laser engraving. We are now going to follow on from our through cutting tutorial and show you how to add in photo engraving. First, let's set up your machine. This is the easy part. Turn on the power button on the right hand side. Next, go in the very back room where you do vehicle wrapping and turn on the big compressor. This cools and powers the laser engraver. You will cause a fire without this on. Next, put your material in the top left on the bed. Ensure the actual bed is butted up to the very left as well. Log in to the laser computer. Login details are on the computer screen. Open GS8 laser software. In this window, we type the size of the material we are working with. Check the rulers around the laser bed to see what size panel you are working with and write these in here. Margins are a dead zone around your panel that you can't cut inside of. These are generated automatically by the software. Tick the identical margins box and reduce this dead zone or safe zone to 1 or 2 millimeters. When the software opens, you will notice a red line in the center of your page. If you were to go up to the green diamond to import your work, you won't be allowed. This is a sign your page isn't activated and usable yet. Activate the page and get out of this default font option by clicking the blue cursor and going into selection mode. Now go into the green diamond in the top left and import your work. You can use Adobe PDF files or Adobe Illustrator files. This window will open. Do not change anything here, unless you are using a PDF with multiple pages, in which case you would untick the third box and type what page you want. Just like in the first video, we are now going to assign colors with the rainbow ball. I have made my zinc orange for through-cut, and I am clicking on the Simpsons image and clicking on the black ball. It won't look any different, so make sure you've definitely clicked on the ball. Now, as mentioned in the previous video, through cutting is simple. Photo engraving requires a bit more attention. First, we need to invert all of our colors. To do this, go up the top to Objects and then to Bitmap Editor. This will open a window where we can edit bitmap and images. Click the top right center symbol that says negative to invert colors. If you're happy with how things are looking, go up the top left to File and then Save and Quit. Click on this image, and then click on the black ball once more to ensure it is still selected. Now, go to your orange fireworks menu again. First, choose a random material to reset the settings in the system. Then go back and choose what you're really planning to cut. Change DPI to 300. Nothing over 300 looks any different. It just takes longer to engrave. Click on the white to black gradient and click the camera symbol. This gives the best engraving result. Click this so that 2 symbols show. This is your material thickness calibration that moves the bed up and down. It will do one before engraving and another before through cutting. Come down to the black ball and change the first column from 19 up to 35. This is your engraving power. The default setting on 19 barely scratches the surface. 35 gives a good result. The higher this number, the deeper the engraving. Leave the other columns, speed, number of passes, auto assist, all as is. Leave all of the columns next to the orange ball as is. They work perfectly. Click on Preview. Your engraving will display in gray, and through cutting will show in orange. Zoom in to see the detail of your engraving. Through cutting is very quick. Engraving is slower. Hit Run, and listen for the beep on the laser. Hit the green button, and let the engraving process begin.